My name is Emery Hagan. I am the 2025 Taylor Haugen Foundation Award recipient, the Walton County No Ordinary Joe, summa cum laude, and I'm the class of 2025 at Paxton High School. I've always loved learning and just putting forth all the effort that I can in school. Whenever I began to reach the age where I had the opportunity to dual enroll, I definitely started as soon as I could, and I've taken all the classes that I can while trying to also juggle school, because it's always been really important to me to not full dual, because I just love to be at school. Athletics play a really large role in my life. I've been a cheerleader for 7 years. I started cheering my 6th grade year, and I've really loved the opportunity that has given me to really get involved at my school and have that relationship with the girls on the team and really learn what it's like to be a leader in that aspect, learning new things, helping other people learn new things. I was also fortunate enough to be on the first ever golf team here at Paxton School 2 years ago. So I've been playing golf for the past 2 years for Paxton, and that's been a really fun time being able to challenge myself doing something new, because I had never played golf until 2 years ago. So it's been really fun to learn something new and make the friendships that have came along with that as well. My life certainly has not always been rainbows and butterflies. In 2018, my mom tragically passed away, which definitely presented its own challenges. Instead of letting that determine what my future looked like and let that impact me in a negative way, I've really challenged myself to learn from it and become a better person because of it, instead of letting it drag me down. I live each day with the mindset that you really have no idea what the people around you may be going through or what they might be experiencing, and so I do my very best to treat every single person that I come in contact with the most sincere love and kindness that I can, because you really never know what they might have going on inside, or just that you don't see. I'm really grateful to have attended school in the Walton County School District for the past 13 years and to just really be prepared for a lifetime of success.